lovely to meet you.
I'm glad you were able to come to this part of the United Kingdom. But it's a bit regrettable in your speech that you constantly referred to Guildhall and never to Guildhall. So hopefully that can be rectified. Now, you're in our country tonight. I'm going to your country. I'm going to speak in the Dublin area tonight. It's on the subject of Northern so hopefully I'll put that to bed. We're not leaving the United Kingdom, not now, or any time in the future either. So I think it's better if we try and ensure no one rewrites the past, as we all do for the future. That's what we all have to do. I think most people agree with that.
I don't think we can ever rewrite the past. I think it's very important.
Some people are trying.
No, I don't. I think it's very important that we learn from history.
Yeah.
That we know our history and we're looking forward to the Siege Museum.
Yes, I understand.
And I actually put my speech in the chart and the 200 people were standing up.
Right, yeah.
You know, but I'm looking forward with interest, and particularly the project in the Siege Museum and reaching out to participants from all over the country.
Yes.
I understand that there'll be 12 participants. Maybe it's ongoing. So I'm looking forward to asking questions about
And
that.
that's difficult sometimes when you're here on the west bank of the Forth, where only 5% of the population are from our community.
It's catching my eyes. Sorry.
Okay.
It's just catching my eyes.
So hopefully we can
no,
renew your
no,
acquaintances.
no, it's just my eyes were blinking. I beg your pardon. No, go ahead.
So I just hope we can renew our acquaintances to try and build on that.
Absolutely. And it's the reason I'm here. It's the reason I'm here to listen. And I apologize. You know, absolutely. And we're here to listen and to learn from each other.
Okay.
You know, and rewriting history would be
Yes, a big mystery.
in any country.
Yes.
And in many countries they've rewritten history to suit a narrative. I'm glad we agree on that. How are you finding life?
As you said yesterday, it would be a dull day if we agreed on everything. So there's going to be issues we will disagree on. We have to go
I come from a
forward.
family of 14. There were lots of disagreements.
Yes, I'm sure
But we
there
had to learn to live and love. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You know, at the end of the day, we're human beings.
Yeah. That's right.
And we have to remember.
Yes.
Very, very
That's right.
And thank you.
Not at all.
Quite
Nice to see you.
much.